Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little video. I'm here to share my September club with scrapbooking with me. I'm so excited about this kit right here. But I just want to tell you a little bit about the kit club before we get started. So with the kit club every month you get 20% off of all regular price items in Miss E's store. And then she sends you a code. And then you get free digis that goes with the club members, the e-club kit, and you get a code for your digis. And then they also have a Facebook group on here that I'll post below. And well, you have to be a member of the kit club, so I won't post that. But they post all the info and links to projects and digitals and all that stuff in the Facebook group. And then we have a bunch of designers with this group, some of them that you know. And we have Melina Ray Pilot, that is Edith's daughter, and then Miss Crystal Cleveland, and then myself, Kathy Champion, and Miss Edith Ray. So all of their links will be left below in my first project's video. But right now I just want to share with the kit. So, but I will leave the link to scrapbookingwithme.com down in the description box. Now, I love these bags that the kits come in. These are just totally awesome. What's really nice is it's nice to keep all the bits and pieces from your project that you haven't used yet. And I have a space for them, and I just lined them up on my shelf. So this month really speaks to my little vintage heart. And all kinds of neat things in here. Now, this did not have the cover to it, so I'm not really sure what paper line this is, but would you look at all of this vintage yumminess here. Got it upside down, I think. Well, it's supposed to be this way anyway. So we got lined paper on here, cancel postage. Y'all know what this leans to, don't you? I can just see a junk journal with this. Maps, grid paper, more maps. So you get 2 or 3 pages of each one. Love this newsprint one. Postcards. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh, love it. I just love this. Look at this page with like old advertisements on it. Beautiful. Love this distressed looking paper here. Look at the front. This is my favorite image on this page. This little girl with the pink flowers and the little blue sash on her dress and socks. So this is just some lovely paper here. So I'm excited to play with that. I like this couple too. They kind of highlighted the blue in her dress and some pink flowers here. Then, so also that comes with this is dot grid papers. That's why I said, you know, I feel some kind of journal coming on. So we have this dot grid journal. And I don't know if I'll do a junk journal or if I'll do just a journal. But look at all this yummy grid paper. And then we get 2 sheets of paper here. And this is 8.5 by 11, and this color is called, well, I'm looking for it. Usually has the color on here, but it's very good quality cardstock. It says patina, maybe. And then this one, I love this for that vintage, and it is very sturdy. It is a heavier weight than this one is. And this one is called Chocolate Malt. So wouldn't this be perfect for a cover of a junk journal or any kind of journal, really? So like I said, I see that coming in my future. And then also that comes with the kit this time, something I was really excited about when I saw it, was these beautiful Nouveau drops and the Crystal Nouveau drops. And this is the color of Antique Rose. I just love that. It just looks so pretty. And I can't wait to play with it. And then also, we got a packages of lace here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different laces. Or is that a wide lace? Well, you know what? Let's take it out and look at it. And see. This is by 49 Market. Okay, this is just a wide lace. So you get a really tiny trim here, then you get a middle-sized trim, and you get this beautiful wide lace, cotton lace here. And I love this because it's so vintagey looking. Now, I'm going to be looking for a way to download some DigiPrints this week. I haven't done that yet because I don't have a printer, and it's really hard for me to do that, but we're going to see. Well, I will put this back up in a minute. So let's just put that out there so we can see the whole kit. Then we get some of these antique white doilies, which I love doilies. Look at these. So pretty. And then, look here, we get photo corners. These are craft color photo corners. How cute is this? This would be nice to go into an album too, or just to dress up your ephemera. And then speaking of ephemera, we get some of that too, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. But look at this. Look at these tags. These are so nice. They're thick muslin tags. Very pretty. There's 3 of them there. And then we get some ephemera, and I love this ephemera. So there's one piece right there that says special delivery, number 13. There's some tickets in there. Just a little round circle. Here's another railroad ticket. And then just a word. Here's a bigger size. Here's another railroad ticket or our train station ticket. There's another one. Who, what, when, and where. Aren't this cool? Then there's a Union Jack flag. And here's one that says Hotel Palace. And then there's a clock face, a little map, and then a bingo card. How cool is this? So that is our September kit, and I cannot wait to dive in and start playing with that. You will see some videos coming up on that probably next week. Oh yes, and then there's a metal leaf in there. Isn't that pretty? I'll lay it down, maybe you can see it better. Very vintagey. So I was just really excited about this kit because, you know, it played to my vintage heart. Like I said, I'm really hoping I can get the digis downloaded because I know they're fabulous. Well, I know they're fabulous because I went to the website to look them up, but I just haven't been able to print them out yet. So please go over and check out Miss E's store at SCRAPBOOKINGWITHM.com. And then, when you're over there, look into subscribing to the club kit because they're wonderful kits that you get every month. And I will be for sure doing some videos in the near future. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to tap the bell where you may be notified every time I upload a new video, depending on how often you want to be notified. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.